So this morning we're in the Dunning neighborhood of Chicago. We're doing a hoarder house clean out. I think everything goes in the house except a few things. We're gonna have to load it on top of the truck. We'll have some of the guys up there packing it and everyone else bringing it out. We'll document our work. This is the Dunning neighborhood of Chicago, northwest side. So we're doing a hoarder house clean out today in Dunning neighborhood, northwest side. It's called the Dunning neighborhood. Everything goes. We'll document our work as we go. This is Chicago clean out. And we're going full speed ahead today with hoarder house investment. Another real estate investor bought the house, and we're taking all the garbage out. There's a lot here. This whole first level should fit. All right, we're upstairs. This is a hoarder house clean out. A Halloween hoarder house clean out. Halloween hoarder house of horrors. Hoarder horrors, you could say. We're just gonna get a little footage of the before and afters. Too dark in the other room to get footage. I think 2 loads might do it. All right. Dunning, Chicago, northwest side. Okay, we're updating our progress. This is north side of Chicago. Haunted hoarder house of horrors. They celebrate Halloween here. Pretty cool.
So hard that the mic's vibrating.
Yeah, tell them to come get it, man. They're all like a lot of hoarders watch stuff. All right, we're in Chicago today. We're doing a full house trash out, hoarder house clean out. House has been sold. It's got to go. We'll have to document our work as we go. Okay, we're updating from Dunning, Chicago. There's a lot of bags of clutter. House sold. New owner's got to clean it out. We're going to smash up the furniture. Smash that one up, yeah. So we're going to take the doors out of this thing and smash it up. And while we're cleaning up this, we got a lot of mice running all over the place. They don't know where to go. They don't know where to run. They can run, but they can't hide. And they smashed up all that to get them flat, to get more in the truck. That's how we professionally pack the dumpsters. We've turned 2 cubic yards into 1/8 of a cubic yard. Flatten everything, really professional for the customer. Get much more in the dumpster this way. Everyone's doing a great job of packing the truck. Very efficient packing. Smash up all these stuff flat and bag what we can. And then it goes all the way up flat. He's hiding from me. He's alive. He ain't dead. Woo! There you go.
Is this one alive too?
He don't know where to go. All dressed up and nowhere to go.
The other one's playing dead.
Is that playing dead in there? Okay, we're gonna smash another one up.
Luego sí, pues, como estaba. Luego me rompo esta arriba.
Smashing things up again. Get more on the truck. More furniture coming out. Things are going pretty quick. We'll smash that one up too. Get more in the truck. We're the king of clutter catastrophes. Cleaning out quick. And we're doing our professional trash out of this hoarder house. Smashing up the bulky pieces again until everything goes flat. Get much more in the dumpster. Professional moving techniques on the back of the heavy things on the back. Just looking at the great packing job Hector did this morning. This is Dunning neighborhood, northwest side. They really celebrate Halloween here. All right, we're gonna shut the halfway door. We topped it off. We're gonna keep it from falling out on the street. We're gonna shut the bottom door. Continue till we get no more room. This is the Chicago northwest side Hoarder house trash out. We might come back tomorrow for another load. Updating the bedroom. Excuse me. Sorry. Working our way out of the closet. And the closet's all cleared out. We're almost done with the entire first floor. And we're smashing up the furniture, get more in the truck. Breaking everything flat. Well, the spider webs make it look like a haunted horror house of hoarders. Haunted horror house. Haunted hoarder house. Oh, horror. Kind of spooky. And we're updating Hoarder House of Horrors. Trash out. Dunning neighborhood. Packing it in. Very professional. PhD. And it looks like there's at least another truckload, maybe a load and a half left. There's still a basement and upstairs. At least one more load. And we're topping it off with as much as we can get. We're in Dunning today. And then we're going to fill her garbage cans from the city also. It looks like they wrapped it up.
they're holding it so we can close it.
Okay.
We can close it. Close it.
Okay, let's close the door. We'll slam it on there. We're signing out from the Dunning neighborhood. So we cleared out all the junk. We're going to take up the padding on the next load. It's got some nice oak floor underneath all the dirty, disgusting carpet. Nice, beautiful floor underneath it. I'll probably get that on the next load. Cleared out some of the kitchen. There's still some more. There's still a refrigerator full of garbage too.
Don't say it.
Yeah, I love those things. And this is an update. We cleared out the kitchen here. All these levels are cleared out except for the padding. We're going to take that out. It's got some beautiful oak floor underneath all the disgusting carpet. We'll come back tomorrow and get it done.